No, this was the one in Crestview.
Oh, okay. All right. We already closed it.
Yeah.
Oh, I was trying to think if I had another check coming. That's all. All right.
But that's why it's important to know the why, because when they hesitate and they don't want to put in an offer and they're, X, Y, Z and PDQ, you can go back to their why.
So imagine if you could do this on 100% of your deals. This won't work on 100% of your deals because some homes won't have equity. I mean, most now in this market, every home has equity. But if you don't spend the time and learn how to, I was talking and training this, not just doing it for myself, and actually said it took 4 minutes and 50 seconds or something like that, right? So imagine if I was just doing this on my own while I'm driving down the street in my truck, which I do all the time. Man, okay, great. Yep, we got a deal. Or no, I know what I need to negotiate from the seller. So what would you do with this? So let's say this client needed a 3-2-1 buy down. Ken already told you that a 3-2-1 buy down is 2.75%. All right. I'm so glad you did that. All you would do in this scenario, where's my calculator? I'm getting lost. Y'all see it on here, anyone? All right. CALC. All right, here's my calculator. So you already know that if you needed a 2-1 buy down, I mean a 3-2-1 buy down, which is 2.75%, plus Rhonda says she wanted 3,000, plus I need 6,000. Y'all follow me on the math? 360 times, what is that? 0.0275. That's the buy down. Plus, I need my six racks.
That's
Plus
18.9.
plus Rhonda needs 3 racks.
18.9.
18.9, and we always talking percentages. What's 18.9 divided by 360,000? So when we start doing math, is where you lose real estate agents. We need 5 1/4.
5%.
Okay. That's 4 and 6, so that's good.
So now to answer Simone's question, why do you need 5 1/4? Because we're gonna do a 3-2-1 buy down, and we need her closing costs covered. They go, oh, okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is upfront.